There's nothing more exciting than being able to pull off the tape of your finished creation. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it is gorgeous. This is the moment I've waited so long for. Oh, it's beautiful. It's peeling off all the white paint though. This is not good. Crap. No. Oh. It's peeling off all the white paint. Why? Oh, stinker. No. Why? 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 Yeah, the rest of it looks good though. Dang, that thing's killer. But why? Why? I was doing so good! I was doing so good! So the helmet's almost done. The tape didn't get all that. So I'll have to repaint this white after the blue dries. And then, I gotta fix this spot.